Welcome to Turner Tools, EdTech tips and tricks you can use to make your life easier. Alright, Slidesmania is one of my favorite places to get really cool templates for Google Slides, or PowerPoint if that's your thing. So if you go right to slidesmania.com, you'll see a selection of different topics along the top that you can use. I usually kind of just scroll down to the recent templates because I like to see what the creator Paula has just created. And interestingly enough, this creator is not in the world of education, but she creates some of the most awesome templates. So I just decided that I wanted this one called Happy Winter. So I'm going to click on that template and it's going to take me to the page that has information about that template. As well as if I scroll down, it allows me to either download it for PowerPoint or to open it in Google Slides. And as you well know, I am a Google person, so I'm going to click on the Open in Google Slides, and that's going to open up the preview template. And I can look through that template and see if that's something that I'm really loving, and I am. So I'm going to click on that button, that blue button at the top right hand corner that says Use Template. Once I have done that, it will take a couple of seconds to load, and then finally it will bring it into Google Slides, and I can edit or add whatever it is that I want to make this Google Slides presentation my own. So that is Slidesmania. Super easy to use, creative, amazing. I highly recommend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been Turner Tools. Have a wonderful day.